Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn an essay about Basant. Basant is a spring festival celebrated in many parts of the world, especially in Pakistan and India. It is also known as the Festival of Kites. It takes place in the middle of February. It marks the end of winter and the beginning of spring season. Family and friends gather on the rooftops of their houses to enjoy Basant. People fly colorful kites in the sky to enjoy the windy weather. The sky looks beautiful with kites of different shapes and sizes. People also compete with one another in kite flying. They wear bright yellow clothes symbolizing the blooming mustard flowers of spring. Special foods like sweets and snacks are prepared to add more fun to the day. Basant is a time of happiness, laughter, and celebrating the beauty of nature.